Так, Джара, сужит. А больше, бля, ну что мы что ли? А что было? Самое интересное было не губи машина на там, где он Аллаенга машин батан дуб. Так, қандайұрауды? Көріп қара. Хаты 2 здания онда бар еді. Ой. Таби манда аска бар бітімде. Пропускаем, короче. Да, сып. Давай. Кто был? Пахнешь как черт. Легенда. Товарса будто мансыганда боллагана как с врагами ебут.
about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them. And I know all about them, so...
Tell us then, how are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them. You're out to survive like them. You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law. Nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. Coleman's a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all. Okay, now cut left up here. We go down the hill into the forest.
We're going in quiet. Taking them out as we find them. Trying not to set things off. If we do, we move. Quick and hard.
Kaçtığında.
Okay by me.
With you, Morgan.
All right then.
Through the trees here. Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horses the other side of this clearing. I'll get my guns off my horse, and I'm ready.
Easy, Bill. Fire.
Когда вы сидите верхом или находитесь рядом с вашей лошадью, просматривайте начинное на нее оружие, удерживая тап. Чтобы действовать скрытно, возьмите луки или метательные ножи. Фановар.
It's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
I said easy.
Что там видно? О, лагерь стоит, вижу.
Down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers, yep.
They call him O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze blind, likely as not. Over there. Someone's coming.
So, he's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot? Tell her to spook the game, I reckon. I'm gonna train it. I'll catch up. No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself. Yeah. If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that son of a bitch. Yes, sir. Come on, shake it off.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree. What do you want me to take him?
A knife. Now stay
Хе-хе-хе, Европа.
Feather on the law. What we doing about him? Okay, now what? Morgan?
Помните мои слова, ребят. Это точно. А я так куда я тебе дальше? Как мы, бля, спалились?
You weren't lying, that little toad!
А, чё так светло-то, бля? Ни хрена не вижу. Хорош. Onu bir iki vardı doktor. Блядь. То есть кот-то, что ли? Лөтөккө билеттер. Стукачты бадылар. Юмса ятыр диендер. Котлады котлар. Хуй с ним. Да. Пиздец, для связи бизон болу ашы. Та будя керек та.
You alright?
Sure, thank you.
Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
Did Colm O'Driscoll ain't here?
It was here, I swear. I mean, if I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur. All right, then, go on. Get out of here. Hey? I won't kill you.
I didn't set you up.
Get lost.
Get lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose his mind about this.
So?
So I'm warning you now.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys get to camp quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing. Just yet.
Right you are.
Так, дымоход хочу водить. Какой-то. Ага, нихуя, бля. Чё ты от нахижила где-то такой? О, оружие тут. Ловук помада, нихуя себе, бля. Так, удержи, чтобы открыть селект оружия, да, круха. О, валя. Так, почистить. Бля, диски дяхтяне, то холодильник оружие ладжалар иде. О, теперь смазать. Перевернуть. Ага, так, сменить ракурс. Вау. Перевернуть. Назад. Осмотреть дымоход.
At least you got something.
600 баксов. Вау. Все, старина, мы богаты. Так, перукар. Задание от поводу. Так. Бесшумно бейте 4 от рисколов. Совершить 12 выстрелов в голову. Выполните меткость всего. Не используйте предметы, восстанавливающие здоровье. Ну да. Красавчик штат, короче. Доля на сближение банк 300 баксов. Доля Артура, доля Джон. Доля Анага, блядь, Тодоров, тёлы. Не, то кто вы? Назад. Харпов под дипи, что ли? Взять. Ебать. В смысле в розыске?
Let's go, boy.
Блядь, такие никуда вот такая хам была. Валентайн, что ли? Валентайн, да. Тамилага поборок надо. Дач Вандерлинда. Это кто такой? Командор хочет поговорить с вами. Какая находится? Командор Вара, да. Что это? Попрошайка выглядит, да?
Just wanna get a drink. Harsh.
Да бухло и да.
Hey, buddy. I'm too old to get a job, mister. Way too old. Can't we be friends? Get out of here. You're not kind, mister.
Бля, это аккас фудвата ырпугаваттар көрді принять керек бутыми.
Watch where you're going.
Ашайка хырт.
Come on, sir. Try to remember what really happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in '76.
Just a lot of bunk, Plato. It's just a lot of bunk.
It's not bunk, Mr. Calloway, sir. It's history.
Ancient history, done and dusted. The dead got off lucky, the living
Who's
got...
your friend there?
Put that in your fucking book, Plato.
This is Jim Boy Calloway. The Jim Boy Calloway.
Who?
The gunslinger. Fastest left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
What are you waiting for?
How do you mean?
Well, I reckon right now, kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him. I want to deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
How's that going?
I think I'd prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could...
Короче, я его вызываю на дуэль в углах.
Okay, boy.
Ой. Бля, 2 сатам эме келди вот. Блядь, да болар вот. Кандай көттөйдү те? Я съебался в ужасе.
Wanna go hunting?
What are you hunting? Elephant?
I wish. No. I saw a huge
О, нихуя винтовка ла.
biggest I ever saw. I reckon nearly 1,000 pounds.
My God. You need me to come with you.
Of course. Let's go.
Where are we heading exactly?
Up near the Dakota River. Might take a day or two.
I could do with a break from this place.
Me too. It's been a rough couple of weeks. You need anything?
I don't think so. I got all I need.
Let's go then. Oh, you still ain't replaced Motors yet?
I miss her. She was quite a horse. This one's okay, but ain't no Boadicea.
I've been meaning to offload this big Shire horse for a while now. Unruly bastard.
Where'd you get him?
Some big, loudmouth bastard tried to rob me without riding, so I... Well, you know how it is.
I see.
Let's take him to Valentine. It's on the way, sorta. There's a decent dealer there. We'll unload him, you can buy yourself a new horse. Put your saddle on him, let's get going.
Okay. But I do kind of like this horse.
There's nothing wrong with two horses. And the stables always have the best ones.
I guess you're right.
This is gonna be fun, Arthur.
You won't throw me?
He's a danger, if I'm near him.
Nasty little look in his eyes.
Don't be rude about this magnificent creature.
Правда. А, Хатыворот, что ли? А, седло с Тавынде. Нихуя, улахан ты, бля.
No bar fights, please. I heard about that.
I'll do my best.
We're heading out. Might be gone a couple of days. They got a good range of horse tack at the Valentine.
Теперь это ваша основная лошадь. На миникат там была же как. Понятно.
Nice one.
Yeah, what happened to that?
Got stolen outside.
А вот, пяти улахан аттыпты, бля.
Up ahead. Buy yourself a horse.
Okay.
I'm going off to the general store. Get a few things to lure that fare out. Meet you back.
Ататлахын да.
How can I help you? I'm in the market for a new horse. Something strong and fast.
Well, you're in the right place. I got some beauties
moment.
Кабель калибра. Так.
This one here. Looking to sell? I sure you. You got papers? No. No papers. Well, of course, that's gonna affect what I can pay. But your luck's in. I got a fella who's been looking for a decent workhorse like this for a while. He'll pay a good price. Otherwise, I can always stable him here for you. Here, take a look.
Так. То она бесплатная, да? Так. Внешний вид. Хвост. Грива. Бычок-то. Снаряжение, седла. Чоковая, это у нас доллар на вараки. Сидельные сумки. Лаупо. Стерминаем тут. Стерминаем молодого. Монстр добыча меха. Еще ведь. Так, рожки. Будь гранатla oldu digine. Biraz сужекка. Еще и бля. Понял. Сука, тлавится, ты чё? Так, потники. Потники у вас надо-ка. Еще елок, то его она поела. Матрас. Какие матрасы? Матрас так. Товары для лошади. Так. Всего понемногу. Как-никак лошадка еще и в болотах.
All right, partner. Got yourself a deal. That's a fine new horse. I hope so. I don't sell anything other than good animals.
Оружие вон там.
Here are your papers. On me. New grooming brush. Treat. Appreciate it. All right, you. Treat this fella well. I know he's gonna look after you just fine. Guess we'll see.
Easy. Are you gonna mount that new horse of yours or not? All right, let's get going. We got quite a ride ahead of us.
Either way. So, what's this lake we're heading for?
It's called O'Gray's Run, up in the mountains east of Cumberland Falls.
Canlı adanga tapınakları.
Back into the mountains. I sure didn't figure on that.
But this time,
Aa, şey ya tabii Türkiye de bitti. Bla kudruğu seyre kımak.
John,
Na harkam mutlu çok oldu.
is it about time you let it go now?
It was a year, Hosea. He ditched us for a goddamn year.
I've spoken to him many times. He knows he did wrong. He just wants to put it behind him.
I'm sure he does. Running off on that kid is one thing, but there's code. He knows that. He ain't Trelawney. Dutch and you pretty much raised him.
I know, but it's done. Has been for a while now. Okay, I think we need to head right up here.
Toho bultu galviti davsa. Ben devedim onu.
Yes, I remember this place. Moonstone Pond. We're going the right way. That's the lake there. Look, we made it. Let's loop around the other side.
I should really be heading back over to Great Plains to see about Sean.
It's bounty hunters who've got him.
So Trelawney says. Javier and Charles have gone with him to scope it out.
Pretty dangerous going anywhere near Blackwater.
Right, but if he's alive, we gotta try.
Of course. Look there. Rabbits. Maybe we should catch one to cook.
Sure. Try and shoot one.
You don't want to use anything too powerful on a small animal like that. Just ruin the meat. Best thing's a bow or a 22 caliber bucket
Hmm.
rifle.
I have hunted rabbits before.
Yes. Obliterated them with a shotgun if I remember right.
Привет, Галя. Махтал. Очень.
Good job. All right. It's getting late. Reckon we should camp here.
Sure.
Alan, you get us set up.
Много сопалаги. Шебе бабто.
I'm famished.
Cook that rabbit then. They're delicious on an open fire like this.
Fine by me. You want some of this?
No, I'm fine. I don't like eating this late.
Okay. After all that.
Ну все, что ли?
All right. Well, we better get some rest. I want to be up at first light to find this monster.
Какой нахуй монстр? Бля, кем был тут идет убери.
You better be worth all this drama.
Morning, Arthur. You ready?
Oh, give me a minute.
Coffee. There you go.
Right.
We'll see if we can track him, but not usually going to draw them. Bears like fish, obviously, but they also have a sweet tooth. A lot of fellas.
На медведя охотимся, что ли? Я себе. Все, пошли тогда. Хули отдыхаем-то. Пошли.
I hope you know what you're talking about.
I grew up in the mountains, Arthur. Was virtually weaned on bear meat. How you getting on with that baby?
Okay. I think I got this done.
Good. into it. She understood. She knew what I was.
I remember you not being around for a while, but things were looser back then.
Truth is, there's never really any getting out. Staying in, it's hard. You know that. But Bessie and I made it work. Why? You thinking about getting out?
Me? No, of course not.
Listen, and we can make enough money to go someplace new, really new. Maybe we can all have a new start. Anyway, for now, let's try and chase ourselves a bear, shall we? Let's look by the water here, see if he's been fishing again recently. Easy.
Нет, тут никого не было.
Look for tracks, dung, bones, any sign of him.
Татара. Легендарные места я. Нтэ радионы олсоно хибитэ. Да, тут у нас кролики были. И на бебултап, мара. Баллон, что ли, говоря? Сайпа.
Oh, I see paw marks here, Hosea. These sure are big enough.
Let's hope it's him. Can you tell which way he went?
Tracks. Go into those trees.
Тусовать.
Wait a minute. Something on the ground here.
By our friend, I reckon.
Come on, see if there's anything else. Something else on the ground, just there. There she is. Watch your step.
Looks real fresh. Reckon he's got to be close.
Let's keep going. Looks like the trail ends here. We lost him?
For now. A little optimism, Arthur.
Well, what do you think?
I think we split up and each look.
Either that or we could place bait here.
That could work. Which you think?
Приманку, ну ты приманку вот тут.
Place bait here.
Fine. Let's leave the bag over there. By those boulders up ahead, looks like a good spot for it.
подойди. Так. Использовать.
More or less. Big scar down his face. Hey, did that bait look okay to you?
I think so. You're the expert.
Ready with your gun there?
I'm good. You okay? You seem nervous.
So do you. I'm fine. Let's just take a look at that bait.
Sure.
Да, мен без цвета там что ли?
Said it, Jose.
I know, but we need to do this right. Give me a hand here. Got your knife?
Еба. Не пизда нахуй.
Arthur!
You're fine, old man.
Of course I'm fine. Nothing. Nothing at all.
Thank you. Hey. That was fun.
You know,
Интересно,
I'm
öyle hasta yok.
old and beaten up to be after the biggest game. You can have this.
What is it?
It's a map. A man in a bar gave it to me. Well, I stole it from him, but that's another story. He said it told him where to find some real big animals.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. You saved my life, Arthur. I think I'm going back to camp, lick my wounds. You coming or gonna track that monster?
Ого, я пойду. Остаться.
Coming or not?
I'm gonna stick around here for a while.
I'll see you back at camp. Yeah.
Блядь, Эме что ли? Давай, 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 давай. Фух. Ёбана. А? А? Это дым-то, блядь. Аю, бля. А. Нихуя улаханы, я. Даже онлайнга мындык улаханы бедам. Да, шкура медведя. Да ну, братишка. Все уже позади, бля, радуйте. Легендарное животное. Нихуя не легендарное. Да, все. Давай, лемешек, газген диевте бары кача. Красавчатыр өлдүү пыта. Гор харал X. Та табара кептики var azılar görana. А та пиздеха курбанна мытты. Деш шрамды көрүй, бля. Ёбан. Телефон ада бара.
Got some medicine.
Не знаю, как тебе помочь, братишка. Прости. Но это реально так. Тут нихуя ничего не поможет. Бля, напали-то конкретно. Тогда, тогда мы тоже в ловушке получается. Как, от Мханары. Валим нахуй отсюда. Тут опасно ведь. Ali. Sonra Так, geldim. Консультация olamanda sever. Жомукта оно бахарстууд. Так, кадамар шипи. Баада бар. Та аппана хатакара. Та bunu освес. Тихо, воской. Аппын энергетиğine пишке дилем була. Ахаватта чисто энергетик. Опа.
I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger. You him?
Me? Real gunslinger? Let's find out.
Okay, man. That's what I like to hear. Look, man, rules are simple, okay? Whoever shoots more of these bottles wins. Hey, you can't compete on a horse, cowboy. Just draw your gun and aim when you're ready. All right?
Perfecto.
How the hell did you beat me, huh?
Better shot, I suppose.
That didn't make me happy at all. How about we raise the stakes, huh?
I'm alright.
Well, I owe you for beating me. So, come get your win. Here it is, okay? Not on my word.
Блять.
Appreciate it.
Sure. Better watch out next time. We'll see.
Let's go, girl.
Бля, мне его один раз. Ёбана. Geldim bada var. Да неужели? Hatta Valentine app'in atılırım da. 오늘은 배 바른 앞에서 발렌타인.
What's your issue?
Thanks, mister.
А, серьезно, что ли? Можно применить для изготовления предметов. Бля. Стоп, 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 стоп. Ахара! Лы, бля. А капрах. Так, добре, хорошо, добре.
Look at what we snagged! Dutchy stocks, buddy! I told you he'd show! Alright, boys, let's introduce ourselves.
Бля. Сука. Из-под. Бля, хана тебя алır. делать? Зачем мне твор так, блин? Блядь, да там по шкурами твору, ну.
Okay, Mr. Morgan. Just leave me alone, will you? Piece a few of these together and it makes them all better.
John Marston.
Don't I know it?
Абакаль, солдат улучшения. Так, повтора, да. Жилье Артура.
Okay, leave it with me.
Boy Scouts will be very pleased.
Талант пожертвовал.
Really need you boys to get out there and vote. Supplies are low.
Just make sure it goes into the pot.
Так, а сейчас гуглом продиктую вообще пацан. Так. Это шкура легендарная медведя РД-2. Кому продать? Так. Буду так. Блять, заебал бы рекламу-то, сука, фитял. Да, особенно высокие цены представляют собой шкуру легендарных зверей, существующих единственных экземплярах. Правда, на первый взгляд это не столь заметно. В то время как трофеи с обыкновенной добычей можно продать или пожертвовать банде Вандерлинде, то легендарной добычей обычный торговец покупать отказывается, даже перцем в лагерь банды не принимает. Ее, конечно, пожертвовать при этом убить необычных животных непросто, и они сами способны с легкостью расправиться с неопытным комбоем. Так что же делать, если вам все-таки посчастливилось победить огромного гризли? Шкура легендарной будет теперь у вас в инвентаре. Ага, так, что опять хайдует? Входимся, ага, гризли здание. Входит забыть в коту и отправляется с Арта Морган выслеживать гигантской гризли. Правда, шкура легендарной мне нужна самому зверю не меньше, чем вам. Поэтому расставаться с ней он не спешит. По этому сражению ваш путник скажет, что он уже не молод и не годится для подобных забав. Ага. В этот момент у вас будет выбор: попытаться добить зверя или же уйти. Так. Предположим, что вам повезло одолеть зверя, и драгоценная шкура теперь у вас. Тут-то многие игроки RDR 2 и испытывают затруднения, так как это первая стычка с легендарным зверем и первая подобная добыча. Да, меха постыгибите. Ага, куда ее пристроят? Совершенно неясно, и игра не дает никаких подсказок. Есть лишь один человек, умелый охотник, который может изготовить ценное снаряжение из ценных шкур. Разумеется, не бесплатно. Имени его никто не знает, и все зовут его просто траппером. По его ремеслу траппер нелюдим, и найти его непросто. Хотя у него есть собственный магазинчик в Сен-Дене. Однако обычно он перемещается по определенной области. Для начала его поисков надо отправиться в лагерь, поговорить с Пирстоном. Тот, по виду Артура, могут трапперы после разговора на карте понять соответствующее его местоположение. Траппер не против работать с Морганом, и шкура легендарного медведя может послужить материалом для изготовления целого комплекта уникальной одежды. Правда, одной ее будет мало. Так что придется снова поохотиться. Вы же помните, что в Redemption 2 масса в разных животных, так что готовьте верный лук со стрелами. Чистите охотничий винток, вас снова ждет большая охота. Так, кто такой траппер? Скажите мне, пожалуйста, где он? Так. Бо Пирсон, где? Ага, так. Поговорите с Пирсоном. Так, Пирсон. Да, Пирсон Тохтора. Ай. Пирсон. Вот ага, для Пирса будет рабо. Как с ним поговорить? Totta, çabanın Google'ı kırılsın. Ne ben bu stargın, kadar hem alsı kırdık. Alo, doğulaptı. Tumandık oğlunu kırık. Так. Ни один такой имеет не купить. Легендарную шкуру можно крафтить, легендарную шкуру можно просто оставить себе, хранить шкуру можно в отдельных сумках. Также можно отправить шкуру в лагерь, а затем продать или же сделать вещи. А вот легендарную шкуру перцы не привыкать к добыче в лагерь. Легендарную шкуру нужно только для получения из них уникальных вещей. Для этого необходимо продать легендарную шкуру охотника траппера, который крафтит из нее вещь для Артура. Так. А что он кто-то? Угу. Где траппер? Где охотников траппер? Где охотника траппер? Redemption 2 для крафта деревянную шкуру. Охотник и траппер. Торговец шкуры Redemption, который может привести уникальный наряд и снаряжение. Охотник Сандене. Охотник Стравбери. Меха Валентайн тагандатла. Валентайн. Короче, карта Грохарвана. Он как меха косодона. Ох, что дальше на Google репить. Да, меха именно Валентайн тагандатла. Бля, Сэндини, конечно, бабакника я на горах. Вау. А это что такое? Да, Вестел. Доктор, Вестел. Ага, бля, хандавары. Валентайн. Короче, как я понял, Валентайн Тага траппер, нихуя его тут нет. Куда хрона? Красные пакеты, синие заслонные, зеленый открытие лишь в эпилоге, конечно, я проектирую на помощь, фиолетовый прийти в среднем фотоклабы. Ловец снов. Ага. Бля, Сэнд, вообще-то вот где-то. Который, да. Кому из 21 век можно в более современный карт найти снумерованную, так что ставь точку на своем навигаторе, пускай свой Яндекс лошадь по этому маршруту. Так. Оу, легендарные рыбы. Суть просто найти 10 наскальных рисунков на карте. В деле и все сложнее, ведь это изображение трудно звуки, они не издают и вообще хорошо спрятаться самого быстрого ковбоя на Диком Западе. Конечно же, я про тебя. Но если у тебя есть дела положить, да, абсолютно любой другой, чем владе почетного гора. Тохтаве. А, нихуя. А боже, твой бубля. Веном, да. Ага, маленькая масса. Это что такое? Бар? Да, бар где хрен, да? Мандай да, где? Сюда круг час. Ага, это рельс. Бля, где бы хранить эту шкуру? Зае. Там у меня там ботах. У меня там манатер. О, мой красавец бутер. А шкуру опять не наверх не точно.
Fish camp. How you getting on?
Видите, кем кахады да вапите? Хада свисток удуктыгыр. Угали. Стоп. Но вы не можете взять сейчас это же вот так как открыто самостоятельно выброс ненужные вещи. Бля, какие атаки конкретно. Ю. здесь на кишкатым тогда будет. А? Ну.
You poor bastard.
Не. Да ладно, брейк-кванта. Навести Томаса Даунса, чтобы взыскать долг. О, долги. Ну чё, Артур, погнали. Потары, да, кормить. Угу. Так, чистить надо. Чистить. О, сразу рахатда, ты бизон. Чанда бары камерата. Эначи газген. Аппын элемечти аттабы. Кожа бастыки миминатым мяха элемечти аттагады. Оттур таппытна. Ада, менер болда. Семья кел бола. Братым сошок, мен болам. Тан мен сайлыттан Аласкада жачу, Аласкада братым жачу. Мунерга инде кудук. Онталта еще барды. Келики семер мытыгыз. Аппын сыйлар ондем. Ля ныкты кухадал. Када кынакын болабы. Айылған ныкты кынак будай. Вот папа меня чататом. Надеюсь, папа севет не. Томас даун.
Oh, Mr. Downs!
Что когда ты джига барный? Ой.
Whatever do you want?
Mr. Thomas Downs? You owe me money.
Oh, no, I'm...
Тебе что, сука?
Trust me, would you?
Please, I have a family, sir, please.
I don't care about your family. Why'd it have to come to this, huh?
Believe me, sir, I didn't want...
If you'd been good, this wouldn't be happening.
I'm doing my best for you.
Да. Заебало, бля. На нахуй.
Please, please, no.
You borrowed money from my business partner, Herr Strauss. You owe him, you took the money. He wants it back. What's not to understand? Where's our money?
I don't have it.
Sell your place.
We already owe more than it's worth.
Then sell your wife. Be a family or something. We ain't your idea of charity. Is that clear?
Thomas!
What are you looking at?
Thomas!
I said, what you looking at, woman?
My husband isn't well. If we could just have more.
Like I said, we ain't nobody's idea of charity. Get us the money.
Қандай барды бұнда? Бля, комбиде басымы жарылып, Аполло болады. Так, среди вас, где моя шкура? Этот доктор. Свистнули, пидорас. А ладно, Аде хоть непонятно было, что с ним сделать вообще.
How did you get on?
Not so good. He's almost dead. And they seem more or less destitute. You were a fool for lending them the money.
There, people who aren't desperate don't seem so interested in my propositions.
Of course.
Когда задание ведь. Да, Дач Вандерлинде. Бля, шкуромки не хвертали молото. Ой, сука. Дач. Пидорас, ты где? Этих кім, бля, шкураны мен қағал дейін. Пиздюк, бля.
Arthur. Dutch? Miss O'Shea?
Well, feels like we are finally getting back on our feet.
You, find a buyer for them bonds we stole?
Not yet, but Jose is working on it.
When we heading west?
Soon? I don't know.
Feels like things have changed. The whole world's changed. But they don't want folk like us no more. We're being hunted.
We are smarter than them. Only the feeblest of men take jobs in the government.
I hope so.
Trust Dutch, Mr. Morgan. You have to.
Он схватил Мику. Сука! speed eraf bakalım.
Hey, wait for me!
Var хули слот тут ранта. Ayıbla.
You look like you've been through it. What were you boys doing? You were supposed to be scouting ahead for us. Yes, I do. And then he shoots one of them. I know how it goes. You're all right now. We'll take care of it.
Айо, бля. Нихуя сальтуха одуты, бля. А. Да ладно.
So, you were saying? Howdy.
Just shut up, damn fool.
Just one or two, right off it?
Of course, just a drink. Can we get a couple beers, please?
I don't want no trouble.
You'll get none from me. I was defending myself.
Tommy,
He'll be fine. Have one for yourself.
Thank you.
Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff from Micah.
Crazy stuff. Will you shut up? Shut up. Come on, buddy.
Oh, they're dullards. My lord. You men is dull.
Hey, leave this fool alone.
Leave the fool alone. People been leaving me alone for the last 2 years.
Listen, buddy. You're a charming fellow. One of the best. But me and the kid here, we're trying to talk business. Could you possibly leave us alone? No offense intended.
Ain't no pleasing some folk. Just trying to be friendly.
Oh. That's great, partner. Lenny, where are you? Hey, you see my friend anywhere?
I can't say, I'm afraid.
Lenny, where are you? Hey, Lenny! Lenny! What are you doing, kid?
Hello, officer. You know what? I don't know.
Бля, джанду.
Why ain't you never married?
That's the thing, you see. 'Cause Lenny?
Allah razı olsun bu tuvabu.
Leave the kid alone, you goddamn animals.
Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
What did you say? What? I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister. Yeah, shut your mouth, mister.
Бля, canları. Emellerini cevap.
There you are, Lenny.
How many of you had, pal?
Бля, тонкий я пытаюсь. Бля, Бартолени вот. Oturdu.
Been looking all over for you, Lenny.
Do I look like a Lenny to you?
Ну, аж пиздёк хотели потримля.
Lenny, where are you hiding now? Lenny! You bastard! Lenny!
Maybe you should switch to water, my friend.
Found you, Lenny!
I'm Clyde. You got the wrong fella.
Lenny, my boy! Damn it, Lenny, stop flopping off on me!
Lenny, what are you talking about?
You're a good friend to me,
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not you again?
Oh لا حصل بالديسك هي جنبه بالضبط.
You stop right now, you drunken fool. I said stop.
Legendary. Oh.
Moron. Not again.
Ayan na yun. Kala man nakalakapin dito. Radyo. Tutar. Zaten zadanie öğreniriz.
For Christ's sake. That horse don't listen. Hope this ain't too rich for you.
Let's hurry up to the part where I win.
Pagod ako.
If you ain't yellow,
I've been waiting dang near a month for the dry goods I ordered.
decent way to pass the time.
Biscuit.
Yeah. I'll check.
Raise! Boy, this one's gonna cost you. Hey, what do you know?
Passed out and shoot.
Raise me on up.
You aren't gonna question my nerves.
I'll in, by golly.
Where's blah?
There was some substance to my claims.
These won't cut it.
Shit, looks good for you.
Oh, that there was pretty bad.
To the victor, the spoil.
Нихуя себе для кида.
Sure do appreciate it.
Да, но тут
See that?
Let's make this more interesting.
Hell, you ain't playing at all.
Сука. Чек.
I might be being foolhardy, but who cares?
Так, хорошо. Так, десятка, е? И тебя, блин, валет каллагана. Дама, король, туз.
I'm a check. You aren't gonna question my nerves.
Well, let's see.
Here we go then. I might be being foolhardy, but who cares?
For real?
Да, валет.
Here we go. Come on. Okay, here you go. It wasn't all high.
That won't do you much good.
А.
My old lady's gonna string me up for losing this money.
Best pot I ever won was on 2-7 offsuit. If I get the feeling, I gotta go with it.
Nope.
Алсалта.
Ah, it's just too bad.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna raise.
I'ma see you.
This one's gonna cost you. Raise me on up.
너 또 앉아가다 전화를 빌려.
How's that look? All in, win or bust. Nope.
Let's be brave. All in.
Calling. There was some substance to my claims. Not a doggone thing.
Yes, that's it.
You might as well give up with that.
Every penny
Oh,
counts.
that was
Yeah,
hard.
see ya.
That turned out real good. Oh, you got Oh, you dare!
You got this all wrong! Goddamn fool! You gonna stop now? Damn.
Покер игра такая, мудрота.
to say. Thanks, I guess. You done me a service. Hey, look, the stage company's gonna write this off as a robbery anyway. If you can get in that lockbox, you can take what you want from it. But ain't stealing if it's already stolen.
So I've been told.
Тохарим она. Стой! Свидетели. Бля, тот укачивает дыры. Солдат должен принести все тяготы службе. Автомат всегда вверх. Öldüm bu hılaklı. Öldüm ha. Все. Кончитесь. Öyle atmakta babaladı. Hadi çün. Hem tut. Не понял, tuottaako?
Get the hell on out of here. Hey, this here's off limits. Of course. We got a vandal in the boy here. Put him in the ground. Get that bastard. All right, girl. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, hey, get in the way. Go. You're okay, girl.
I need assistance!
Whoa, easy.
Please! Sir, please stop! Oh, I beg you! Oh, I'm in bad sorts here. I took a little jolt and have managed to get myself hopelessly lost. I am staying in Strawberry. If you could just guide me back.
Can't think of a good reason to say no.
Oh, thank you, sir. Well, you. What possessed me to come out here, I'll never know.
What are you doing out here anyway? Clearly ain't your natural habitat.
No, I'm just visiting. I'm from New York City, actually.
You don't say.
Oh, yes. There was some talk at the country club about this burgeoning little resort town called Strawberry. So I thought it might be quite the trip to see what all the fuss was. Perhaps make a few investments while it was still undervalued. Turns out I was made the fool.
Not enjoying it then?
It's a town of splinters, if you could call it much of a town at all. I'd hardly stepped off the carriage and I'd taken in the whole place. I suppose some might call it charming. Let me tell you, charm is not worth much these days. You show me a timber frame shack, and I'll show you Broadway. And meanwhile, you have this mayor, quite intolerable blowhard. A little bespoke woodwork, and he thinks this is a cultural hub? The man's completely deluded. Well, I should give him some credit. He must be quite the salesman. He did get me out here, after all. More fool me. Now I'm tromping through the leaves in the muck with some cowboy. No offense.
Little taken.
Oh, I remember that. We're on the path. Wait up, wait up. This isn't a race.
Will you move?
Will you slow down?
Hello.
Oh, are we close to town? You've rescued me from the depths. You seem quite the resourceful sort, sir. If for some reason you plan to spend any time in Strawberry, you may want to look into that gabbing mayor. Something is definitely off with him.
Yeah. All right. I'll keep that in mind.
Welcome. Criminy.
New Yorkers. Jesus.
Let's make you an upstanding citizen once more.
Thanks.
بلا ميكروفون مخبط هاي بنتوب
Blackwater. On the trail of a dangerous gang. Colm O'Driscoll. Heard you had some sort of incident.
Deal with bounty.
I was just wondering if I could get a description.
Well, they weren't friends. They got in a fight, 2 men got killed. Now, one of them's an idiot, the other's some kind of dumb mix, so maybe them's your boys. You can look right enough when we hang them.
Thank you.
You maggots! Arthur! Arthur!
Hello, friend. Had a good time, did you?
You going to get me out of here?
I ain't decided yet.
Real funny.
Well, I ain't joking, cowpoke. I heard so much bluster out of your mouth these last 6 months. Now, I got an opportunity to watch you be silent.
Well, you gotta do something. I always looked up to you, Arthur.
Well, that's your first mistake. Listen, there's one little problem. There's only one of me, and there's a whole town full of people wanting to see you swing.
You got to do something, Arthur. You got any dynamite?
could force.
Надо було.
Maybe that steam donkey over there still works. Yes. Hook that over the bars. See if you can pull them off.
What a modern disaster this is gonna be.
Just pull that lever. Come on. Come on, you gotta try something.
Let's get out of here. Come on. What the hell are you doing?
He wasn't O'Driscoll.
I knew you were scum moment I laid eyes on you. Take them down, goddammit!
Блядь. Лака ерида, заебал.
Don't go that way. Let's get the hell out of here.
I got some unfinished business. Trust me, Morgan.
Trust you? You have finally lost your damn mind. Goddamn maniac. I should have left you to hang.
We're in it now, Morgan. What do you want to do?
We should be long gone by now.
Something of mine I ain't leaving without. Keep shooting. Don't give up on me now. Hope you made your undertaker. Son of a look out. We got more coming in.
Yep, I see him.
Hell's coming for you right now. Now finish him. That son of a bitch is a dead man.
Бля, Мика, оттыгып тура кине хат өлөр заебал жактар кейдей, блядь. Бар ты меня урутап, что ли, бля.
Let's go. Where are we going? Making a house call. Come on, Morgan. More of these morons. Yeah, let's
Заебал. Бля, паскуд создание да, бля. Konsolga не заебиса, бля, раз автоматно кынгыр бітті, бля. Что-то вспоминаю, бумби сами хана барач дейп.
See me. Maybe I can make things up to you.
You ain't heading back to Dutch?
No, I've been a bad boy, Arthur. I ain't seeing Dutch till I can bring him a peace offering. Bye now. Yeah.
Не понял, бля. То быгалы бабакын ехты барат, что ли? Эс. Хаддының пулойды. Опа. Дерьмучая звенья. Да.
How many? A lot. Uniforms everywhere. You see Sean? No. Not quite sure. Trelawney's off trying to find out.
Anyone been in the Blackwater, see how things lie?
Place is crawling with Pinkertons, bounty hunters, pictures of Dutch, Zaya.
A lot of money sitting in that town.
And that's where it's going now.
Why haven't they hanged Sean?
Think he's bait. Really want to trial him publicly.
Gentlemen, Sean is being moved up the upper Montana, then to federal prison west.
Damn. We can't be rescuing people from some federal prison. We either rescue him now or cut him loose.
I'm not cutting anyone loose.
Of course not.
Ike Skeldon's boys are moving him to a camp nearby before handing him over to the government.
So, I guess we need to stop them before they get to camp. Charles, why don't you head up on the north side, and we'll head up on the other side of the valley and meet you. That way we have them in either direction. Javier, Josiah, come on. Let's go see.
You know, Arthur, the government, or people whom the government like, seem to be very angry.
Sure. Well, we'll rescue Sean and we'll get ourselves lost good and proper. It's a good country.
I hope so.
Ain't forgotten you. Follow me. Let's see if we can track down this boat.
Keep your eyes open for Pinkertons. They got patrols out all over this area.
Yes, south of the river, West Elizabeth isn't a very welcoming place right now.
It's definitely as bad as we feared in there, Arthur.
Down there. Reckon those might be our boys.
All right, gentlemen, follow me.
I think we're going the wrong way.
We'll follow him, nice and easy. Let's make sure it's him first before you go starting another war.
You think they can see us?
If they can, we're just three fellas out on the trail. Act natural. We'll be fine.
So, you've been gone for a while.
Much as I love dodging the law and sleeping in the dirt with you derelicts, I do have other business to attend to.
What happened in New York?
You know how life is. Not a straight road anywhere.
Especially with you.
Nice to know I'm missed, though. Have you run out of people to rob?
Oh, we'll never run out of people to rob.
But without me,
should keep it down.
Let's keep them in sight.
You all right, Javier? Quiet.
He hasn't stopped talking since we left you in Valentine. It's the longest ride of my life.
Cute, dear boy. Very cute. Pick up the pace a bit. Apparently, there's a camp somewhere around here where the bounty hunters meet and transfer before continuing out west. I imagine that's where they're headed.
Заебата коли то хохтуа. Манук ви хату коро коро жот хама хама. Джонкастер нага заебал, бля. Хочу постреляться, бля. Микан-то, блин, интереснее, чем с вами. Ай, бегар хат на банк.
Hey, they pulled into shore. Get your binoculars out. Let's see what we're dealing with here.
So who are these bounty hunters?
I don't know too much about Ike Skeldon's boys, but I hear they're a big crew, wild, built some reputation in the last year or two.
That looks like Sean to me.
Certainly kicking up enough of a fuss. Yep, that's definitely Sean. Well, you can only imagine the shit he's been giving them.
Oh yes.
They're taking them up the canyon.
There's Charles on the other side. Let's go.
What about the other two down there?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
А, ну чё за идея у тебя?
Do this quietly if you can.
Leave it to me, gentlemen. I'll go around and create a distraction. Then you two sneak across and do the dirty on them. You know, Arthur, the government, or people whom the government like, seem to be very angry.
Ёбана, сагаттан шөлі барата.
Get ourselves lost good and proper. It's a big country.
I hope so.
Да. Печально, чё печально.
Follow me. Let's see if we can track down this boat. Down there. Reckon those might be our boys.
All right, gentlemen. Follow me. We'll follow them. Nice and easy. Let's make sure it's him first before you go starting another war.
You think they can see us?
If they can, we're just three fellas out on the trail. Act natural. We'll be fine.
So, you've been gone for a while.
Why did you stop? Much as I love dodging the law and sleeping in the dirt with you derelicts, I do have other business to attend to.
What happened in New York?
You know how life is. Never a straight road anywhere.
Especially with you.
Nice to know I'm missed, though. Let's go. Stay with them.
You all right, Javier? You're quiet.
He hasn't stopped talking since we left you in Valentine. It's the longest ride of my life.
Cute, dear boy. Very cute. Push up, come on. Apparently there's a camp somewhere around here where the bounty hunters meet and transfer before continuing out west. I imagine that's where they're headed. Look, they've stopped. Get your binoculars out. Let's see what we're dealing with here.
So who are these bounty hunters?
I don't know too much about Ike Skelton's boys, but I hear they're a big crew, wild, built some reputation in the last year or two.
That looks like Sean to me.
Certainly kicking up enough of a fuss. Yep, that's definitely Sean.
Oh, they're giving him a decent kicking.
Well, you can only imagine the shit he's been giving them.
Oh, yes.
They're taking him up the canyon.
There's Charles on the other side. Let's go.
What about the other two down there?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Look out! We should do this quietly if we can.
Leave it to me, gentlemen. I'll go around and create a distraction. Then you two sneak across and do the dirty.
Crouch down out of sight. Take out your knife.
Gentlemen! Excuse me. Here, brothers. My wife is taken ill. Gravely ill. What's the problem? It's dear Bessie. She's taken ill. Where is she? Let's go now. Keep down. I'm beside myself. If I lose Bessie, I lose everything. Oh, calm down, mister. I can't. I'm having a fit.
Okay, let's get after him.
A pleasure as always, gentlemen. I think you have it from here.
Ха, ну вот и $2 дата. Это же ставка на покер.
Come on. We got two halfway up the canyon to deal with.
насыг нөхөд тон. Кая тахпад яйдавад. Будешь Ибрахим потом, что ли? Бля. Бля, так. Кохана книга. О, заебал. Да. Тох мен тох лахын көддір алар ванна. То может быть то предал, бля. Аю, ая. Наконец-то, бля. 舞台。Eller kan udah kaningin na. بلاش شلون قمصان بتر هذا زي با زي با زي با
Do I get a hug, Arthur? A warm embrace for a lost brother now found.
You know, nothing means more to me than this gang. Bond we share. It's the most real thing to me. I would kill for it, I would happily die for it. But in spite of all of that, I would have easily left you here to rot if Charles hadn't stopped me.
I don't believe a word of that, Arthur.
Get him out of here.
You're a great man, Arthur Morgan. The kind of young whippersnapper can really admire.
Shut up. Right, we should split up. Javier, will you escort Mr. McGuire back to camp? Charles, best you ride separately. Be careful. There's patrols everywhere.
What about you?
I'm gonna see what's worth taking here. I'll meet you back there as soon as I can.
All right.
Okay, come on.
Have I got stories for you?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I imagine y'all missed me a lot, but fear not, the joy's back in your lives now.
Ебать. О, сука, мой трубарал автоматик салга. Давай, 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 хоббом. Хоббом, бля. Заебал. Брат, бас монитор, это как баралар иде, бля. Бля, это хара хаман сен, сука, бля. Кюрни спеккен даганы, бля. Acaba пока видеока. Сиднете його до хаяка. طاقتو يوم باكي بهدرو بقدر Mira, como el PT City está viendo. Pana.